I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook eggs. For perfect scrambled eggs, begin with cold eggs and a good amount of butter in a cold non-stick pan. Turn the heat to low and stir continuously, making sure to scrape the bottom. Every 30 seconds, take the pan off the heat for 10 seconds while still stirring. This cooks them slowly and incorporates air. After about 3 to 4 minutes, remove from heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of creme fraiche, then season with salt and pepper for a creamy finish. Next, let's master fried eggs. Crack cold eggs into a pan with a generous chunk of butter over medium-high heat. As the egg cooks, gently spoon the hot butter over the whites to ensure even cooking and create those desirable crispy edges. For an over-easy egg, flip it quickly for just a few moments to keep the yolk beautifully runny. If you prefer an over-medium, cook it a bit longer after flipping for a delightful, jammy yolk. For perfectly boiled eggs that peel easily, start by placing them in a pot with about 4 inches of cold water. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Bring the water to a gentle boil, then carefully add your eggs. For a firm, hard-boiled egg, cook for 13 minutes. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath for 15 to 20 minutes. To peel, gently tap both ends, roll the egg on a surface and start peeling from the larger end. Finally, let's make flawless poached eggs. To simmering water, add a splash of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set beautifully. Create a gentle whirlpool in the water, then carefully drop a cracked egg into the center. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are fully set and the yolk remains wonderfully runny. Remember, using the freshest eggs possible yields the best results for any cooking method. Always season your eggs after they are cooked to perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.